Good morning, chickens. It's raining today, this morning. Should be the only day this week, I think. What do you girls think? Is Jane gonna lay an egg today? She was in the coop earlier, and she's back in there now. Might be able to hear her. It generally takes about a half hour for the chickens to lay an egg, start to finish, is what we've read. But maybe the first one takes a little longer, and she doesn't quite know what the heck is going on. Hello, Victoria. Caroline, are you finally taking the day off? I think she gave us like 3 eggs in a row. I mean, she gave us an egg 3 days in a row. Maybe 4. Hi. Here comes Jane. Jane, you coming out? Hi, Jane. So I think it's Morgana over on the cinder block, and I think it's Maeve being a flamingo over here. Yeah, I'm correct. I see that little yellow band down there. Rainy morning, quiet chickens. Good morning, Luna. Maeve, you're starting to look like a pretty big chicken. Amelia, you're still such a tiny thing. Yeah, you. You still look so tiny compared to all the other chickens. Do you just have sleeker feathers? Burr, burr. Oh, I keep thinking I'm hearing a chicken stomping around in the coop, but I think what I'm really hearing is somebody inside, probably the plumbers, fixing our toilet. We had a piece break in the toilet, and we decided that was a good time to just replace the whole thing with something that uses less water. Hi. You're still the skinniest looking chicken. Hello, Luna. Back again? I have it in my head that Amelia is your favorite hen. And I don't know if that's true, but if it is true, is it because you like them skinny? Do you like the skinny chicks? Or is it just because she's got such a pretty color? Yeah, I think the chickens are out here wondering what the heck the noise is. Oh, Amelia, you can just be pet for hours, can't you? You like it. You love it. Hi, Caroline. Take a break today. Our star layer. No large eggs yet. We had one hit 1.9 ounces. And the one after that was 1.3. Hop across. Hi, Morgana. What are you up to? Morgana? Oh, do that thing with your eyes. Close your eyes a little bit again. Yeah, you like being pet. You like it. Mm. Jane, I feel like you're giving us an egg sooner or later today. I really do. Hello, Morgana. Yeah, hi. Do you want to be pet also? Rup. Victoria, you have turned into a little puffball with like this thick neck feathers. I mean, I was going to say this thick neck, but your neck's not that thick. It's just all your feathers are out and poofy. Hello, sweetie. Do I have you in frame? Man, I hope I have you in frame. What's going on over here? Jane, you're staring Beth down. So you chickens really liked the radish leaves. Did not care for the actual radish. That's interesting. Hello, Victoria. I think we are probably about done for the day, video-wise. We've got a bunch of preening chickens, a chillin' rooster, and a chillin' chicken. You chickens are all starting to get really big. I mean, I guess even you, Amelia. You're starting to put some bulk on, huh? All right. Bye-bye, chickens.